Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make images move in CapCut. In order to do this, you just have to launch CapCut, and after that you just have to import the photos into it. So in order to import it, you will have to click on import. After that you need to select those images and then press open. Once done, the images will be imported in this section. Now you will have to drag them to enter them into this timeline. Now over here we will start the process of adding the keyframe into it. So you just have to select your first image, and after that you just have to position this cursor. Let's say you want to position it over here. Then you need to click on this scale button. After that you need to click on this position button. Once you do this, you will notice that now this type of keyframe icon is here. Now you will have to use this slider and you need to move it over here. After that you will have to scale the image. So let's say I want to zoom the scale. Then you just have to position it. Once done, you will notice that the ending frame is also enabled. So if I play it, you will be able to see that the image is now moving. Now let's do the same with other image. So you will have to select the second image of yours. After that you just have to resize it. Then you will have to position it in the top. After that you will have to click on this position keyframe. Then you will have to use this slider and you need to place it in the end. After that you just have to drag it and you just have to drop it in the bottom. Then it will take the second keyframe, which will be in the minus. Now if I play it, then as you can see over here that our image is moving. So this is how you can easily move image in CapCut. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.